Hi everyone, so today's the 25th and this is my makes for the Christmas collab hosted by Leslie Bromfield and Jessica Marvel. I will link their channels down below and all of the other lovely ladies who are taking part. Guys, this month the prompt was gingerbread, and these are the gingerbreads that I've made. Guys, I've die cut out some gingerbread using, I'll insert a picture of the die that I have used because as usual I've misplaced it and I don't know where I've put it. But these are the dies. I also had some of this kind of, what would you call it, wreath material. It was like just a little bit of, probably about a meter of it or a bit more, and I made them into wreath shapes, and I've used some of these pom-poms to decorate, and some of them I have put the gingerbread man on top, and I've used some Nuvo drops to do the icing part and a jelly roll just to fill in the eyes. And then each one I've just embellished with different, this was a sticker that I've cut out on some card to make into ephemera. Then we've got this one over here, and he's got joy and he's holding a tag and a wreath with some ribbon. And this one has some snowflakes for his buttons and some more pom-poms on his wreath. And again, I have used a punched out die here. I've got punched out die, a punch bow shape just down here to decorate this one. And each one I have used some distress, I think it's in vintage photo or walnut in some of them. This one's a bit darker, so probably this one had walnut, just to make them look like they've been baked in the oven. And then I've just had this one left over of the wreath. So this is my mates, guys, for the gingerbread prompt. Thank you for watching. I'm having loads of fun actually taking part and thinking up ideas. I think this was the first time I actually had an idea of what I wanted to do and what I wanted to use. So I'm looking forward to next month's prompt. And guys, don't forget to check out all the lovely ladies who are taking part. Going over to their channel and have a look at what they have also made. They're going to be all different, guys, because we are all different, and I think that's fantastic how everyone just interprets, put my teeth back in, interprets the prompts differently. So guys, thank you for watching as always, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.